Hi, if you've been having the black screen of death, which is problematic in OBS, typically for display capture, you expect to see something like this to be able to record your screen. But in case you're having difficulty and this is coming completely black, I've been having these crashes like almost every time I restart my computer. So what I found that works for me is I will go to OBS Studio, I'll right click and I'll run as administrator. Okay, run as administrator and just click yes, launch anyway, and yep, so this thing will appear. In case this thing doesn't appear again, so what you could do is just delete it, okay, and then reinstall it again. Hope it works. And yep, there you see. So it yeah, this thing is working. So then you should be able to show record your screen, and hopefully this works for you guys. I've been having a lot of trouble, and if it works for you, I hope you're able to find some salvation. Bye.